Hey, what's going on everybody? In this topic, I'm going to explain how to create, view, and edit text files. On Workstation, use the cd command to return to the student home directory. Use the ls-al command to redirect a long listing of all content to a file named editing final lab text. Edit file using Vim. Remove the first three lines. Enter line-based visual mode with uppercase V. Use the arrow keys to position the cursor at the first character in the first row. Enter line-based visual mode with Shift plus V. Move down using the down arrow key twice to select the first three rows. Delete the rows with X. Remove columns on the first line. Enter visual mode with lowercase v. Lowercase v selects characters on a single line only. The columns after -rw- should be deleted. Use visual block mode to remove the fourth column. Use visual block mode to remove the time column, leaving the month and day on all lines. Remove the desktop and public rows. Enter visual line mode with uppercase V. Use the WQ command to save and exit the file. Make a backup using the date in seconds to create a unique file name. Append a dash line to the file. Dash line should be at least 12 dashes. Append the directory listing of the documents directory. List the directory listing on the terminal and send it to the editing final lab.txt file with one command line. Confirm that the directory listing is at the bottom of the lab file.